Yes, ma. Good morning to all, ma. Now let us see few more questions in your cones, ma. Yes. Next question is, find the condition that the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0 may touch the cone 2x square plus 3y square plus 4z square. Sorry. 1 minute, ma. Condition may touch the cone 2x square minus 3y square, 2x square minus 3y square plus z square equal to 0, and find the equation of reciprocal cone. This is your question, ma. Find the condition that the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0 may touch the cone 2x square minus 3y square plus z square equal to 0, and find the equation of the reciprocal cone, ma. Actually here you must do question in the reverse order, ma. First find equation of reciprocal cone of this cone, ma. Find equation of reciprocal cone of this cone, ma. After that, whenever this Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0 plane can touch this cone, ma, in this Lmn are basically direction ratios of the normal to the plane, ma. Those must satisfy reciprocal cone of this, ma. That means if this plane can touches this cone, ma, these Lmn must lies on the reciprocal cone of this cone, ma. From that you get this condition for this plane should touch this cone, ma. That is your total question. Means first find reciprocal cone of this, ma, then substitute Lmn in that reciprocal cone, you get your required condition, ma. This completes your total question, ma, right? For that, first I am taking a given cone, ma. Given cone is 2x square minus 3y square plus z square equal to 0. Let it be number 1. Now you know reciprocal cone of this, ma. If suppose ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 0 is your regular cone, ma. Reciprocal cone of it is what, ma? X square by a plus y square by b plus z square by c is equal to 0, ma. That same condition use here, ma. Reciprocal cone of above cone is what is that, ma? X square by 2 minus y square by 3 plus z square means z square by 1 is equal to 0. You know the condition, ma. In somewhere in reciprocal cones we did this, ma. If your given cone is this, ma, ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 0, ma. Reciprocal cone of it should be what, ma? X square by a plus y square by b plus z square by c is equal to 0. Same formula we used here, ma. But simplify this result, ma. Totally you can take 6 common in the denominator, ma. I mean take 6 common here. 6 divided by 2, it is 3, it is 3x square minus 2y square plus 6z square equal to 0, ma. Otherwise this we can write as 3x square minus 2y square plus 6z square is equal to 0. This is reciprocal cone of your given cone, ma, which is reciprocal cone of cone 1 means cone equation 1, this given cone, ma. This completes your this question, second part of the question. You can now come on to first part. What is that? You have to form condition should touch this plane to this conicoid. E plane e conicoid ni touch, sorry, e cone ni touch aithe, what is the condition there? For that concept is very simple. Whenever this can touches this cone, in this L, M, N, X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient must satisfies a reciprocal cone of it. Use that condition. Given that the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0 touch the cone two x square minus 3y square plus z square equal to 0, so that L comma M comma N must lies on reciprocal cone of above cone. Reciprocal cone of above cone. But what is reciprocal cone of this cone? Is it number 2 or not? In this replace x with L, y with M, z with N, then you get your condition. I mean this implies 3n square minus 2m square plus 6n square is equal to 0. This is the condition that this plane must touch this cone. Right? This is about your new question. Yes, next problem. Show that the equation of the cone, show that the equation of the cone show that the equation of the cone through the intersection of the cone through the intersection of the cones through the intersection of the cones x square minus 2y square plus 3z square minus 4yz plus 5zx minus 6xy equal to 0 and 2x square minus 3y square plus 4z square minus 5yz plus 6zx minus 10xy equal to 0 and the line with direction ratios 1, 1, 1 is y square minus 2z square plus 3yz minus 4zx plus 2xy equal to 0. This is your question. Show that the equation of the cone through the intersection of these two cones and the line with direction ratios 1, 1, 1. This line that cone should passes through this line means this line should be one of the generator of that cone. That means whenever you can form a cone which can passes through the intersection of these two cones, these 1, 1, 1 direction ratios of the line on the cone must satisfy that cone equation according to theorem number 2 in your cones. Okasari theorem number 2 chuskondamma. If f of x comma y comma z equal to 0 is cone and x by L is equal to y by M is equal to z by N is a generator of the cone, then their condition if and only if is there, f of L comma M comma N should equal to 0. Here L, M, N are what? Direction ratios of this line. That same property how to use here. But before using it, let us form a cone which can passes through the intersection of these two cones. For my convenience, I am taking this cone is s equal to 0 and this cone is s dash equal to 0 in the beginning stages. I mean given cones are, first cone I am denoting with S ma. What is that? X square minus 2y square plus 3z square minus 4yz plus 5zx minus 6xy equal to 0, and second cone I am denoting with S dash ma. What is that? 2x square minus 3y square plus 4z square minus 5yz plus 6zx minus 10xy equal to 0. S equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0 are two cones ma. Now we have to form a cone which can passes through intersection of these two cones ma. That equation of the cone can passes through intersection of the cones S equal to 0, S dash equal to 0 is S plus lambda S dash equal to 0 ma. అర్థమైందా లేదమ్మా? ఈ రెండు ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ నుండి పాస్ అయ్యే కోన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటమ్మా? S plus lambda into S dash equal to 0. That condition use ma. The equation of a cone, the equation of a cone through the intersection of above cones is, what is that ma? X square minus 2y square plus 3z square minus 4yz plus 5zx minus 6xy plus lambda into 2x square minus 3y square plus 4z square minus 5yz plus 6zx minus 10xy equal to 0. Here clearly I am writing the formula ma. Since S plus lambda into S dash equal to 0. This is the formula there ma. Understood? This is our actual cone ma. But here lambda is unknown. To find lambda, what they given ma? This line should be lies on this cone. Whenever this line is lies on this cone ma, this line becomes what ma? Generator of this cone ma. Whenever this line is generator of this cone ma, that line direction ratios must satisfies what ma? Cone equation ma. Understood or not? According to theorem number 2 in this cones ma. For our convenience we are taking this is number 1 ma and use the condition ma. Given that the line having direction ratios 1 comma 1 comma 1 lies on above cone, means this cone ma, cone equation 1 ma, above cone, so that 1 comma 1 comma 1 lies on cone 1 ma. Means these must satisfy cone equation 1, means replace x with 1, y with 1 and z with 1 in this expression ma. What we get once concentrate? 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus lambda into, because x is 1, y is 1, z is 1, directly substituted ma. Plus lambda into 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 plus 6 minus 10 equal to 0. Directly I proceed ma. Because I substituted x, y, z 1, 1, 1 ma. Yes, simplify this result ma. This is what ma? This portion. Positive results once concentrate. 5 plus 3 is what ma? 8. Here 10, 12. Once look ma. 5 plus 3, 8, 9 ma. This is what? Negative value. Minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. It is minus 10 na? Sorry. Minus 6, minus 4, minus 10, minus 12. Minus 12. Here minus 12 plus 9. Means is it minus 3 or not ma? This should be minus 3 plus lambda into, yes, lambda inside portion also once calculate ma. Positive result or what is positive ma? 6 plus 4, 10, 12 ma. 12 is positive ma. 2 plus 4 plus 6, 12 ma. This is minus 8, minus 18. Is it 6 or minus 6 or not? Is equal to 0 ma. Right? Anyhow, minus into minus becomes plus ma, and 3 ones the 3 twos the, otherwise you can keep like this. 6 lambda is equal to 3 ma. 6 lambda equal to minus 3 ma. If you can take this 3 to other side ma, then lambda should be what there ma? Is it lambda is minus 3 by 6, is it minus 1 by 2 or not? Directly I find ma. Here we got lambda is equal to what ma? Minus 1 by 2 ma. After getting lambda ma, substitute in equation 1 ma. Substituting lambda equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation 1, we get yes. What do you get here ma? First write this total thing as it is ma. What is that? X square minus 2y square plus 3z square minus 4yz plus 5zx minus 6xy minus 1 by 2 is lambda into 2x square minus 3y square plus 4z square minus 5yz plus 6zx minus 10xy equal to 0. This is just mathematical work ma. Now multiply throughout expression with 2 ma. 2 తో multiply చేసేయండి మొత్తాన్ని. Then what we get here ma? This implies 2x square minus 4y square plus 6z square minus 8yz plus 10zx minus 12xy minus of this ma, minus 2x square plus 3y square minus 4z square plus plus 5yz plus minus, because minus into plus, minus 6zx plus 10xy equal to 0. Still simplify this ma. 2x square minus 2x square, 2x square minus 2x square gets cancelled ma, right? Now this 2x square gets cancelled. Y square term ma, minus 4y square plus 3y square, minus 4y square plus 3y square, it is minus y square minus y square plus 6z square minus 4z square ma, plus 2z square, clearly I am doing here ma, plus 2z square. After that let us go for yz, minus 8yz plus 5yz minus 3yz ma, minus 3yz. Next zx term ma, 10zx minus 6zx plus 4zx ma, right? Minus 12xy plus 10xy minus 2xy equal to 0. Otherwise, if we can multiply with minus 1 on both sides, what we get ma? Y square minus 2z square plus 3yz minus 4zx plus 2xy equal to 0. Is it this expression or not? Y square minus 2y square plus 3yz minus 4zx plus 2xy equal to 0. This be your required cone. Be required cone. This completes your question. Question is very simple. First, form a cone which can passes through intersection of these two cones ma. That is this ma, s plus lambda s dash equal to 0. There lambda is unknown. To find lambda, what they given ma? This line is on this cone ma, so that its direction ratios must satisfy that cone equation ma. That we did ma. From that you got lambda value, then substitute lambda in equation 1, you get your required cone ma. This is your new question. Yes, let us go to next problem ma. It is in cylinders ma. A special problem in cylinders ma. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder find the equation of the right circular cylinder whose axis is whose axis is x minus 2 by n, sorry 2 x minus 2 by 2 equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z by 3, and which passes through the point 0, 0, 3. This is your question. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder whose axis is this and which passes through 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 point. Right? Here I want to use theorem number 2 in cylinders as formula directly. There in the problematic part after theorem number 2 like theorem we proceed problem but that same problem you can do according to formula also. Theorem number 2 proceed as formula, there substitute given quantities, you get your required result. Here I am doing in that fashion First I am taking axis equation given that x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 1 equal to z minus 0 by 3. Z by 3 I am writing as z minus 0 by 0 by 3 is axis of the cylinder which is in the form of, means this which is in the form of x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by M is equal to z minus gamma by N, where alpha is what 2, beta is what 1, gamma is what 0 is a point and direction ratios of that axis what L equal to 2, M equal to 1, N equal to 3. Understood or not? Alpha is 2, beta is 1, gamma is 0, L is 2, M is 1, N is 3 right? In the next step I want to take R is radius of the right circular cylinder Basically to proceed right circular cylinder we need radius but in the question they are not given radius to find radius they given a point on the cylinder For that cause first I want to take R is radius of the sphere and I will take this right circular cylinder formula. From that I will find R right? First to take R is radius of the cylinder Let R is radius of the right circular cylinder. Yes, by theorem number 2 write your formula, right circular cylinder formula. The equation of right circular cylinder is yes, it is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square minus r square into L square plus M square plus N square is equal to L into x minus alpha plus M into y minus beta plus N into z minus gamma whole square. Since by theorem number 2 in cylinders, once go to your theorem number 2 there theorem number 2 you can take as formula here that formula is this one only. Here substitute all above results this implies x minus alpha. What is alpha 2 directly I am substituting x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square minus r keep as it is r square into LMN, these are LMN 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square is equal to L 2 into x minus alpha, it is what 2 M plus 1 into y minus 1 plus 3 into z minus 0 whole square. Understood or not? Just I substitute ma, this r you can keep as it is. On solving this you get r ma, again getting r substitute here you get your required result ma, right? After getting that substitute here r ma, you get your required right circular cone cylinder equation ma, sorry. Yes, simplify this ma. This is x square minus 4x plus 4 a minus b whole square formula here ma, plus what about this ma, y square minus 2y plus 1 plus this is simply z square minus r square into this is what ma, 4 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 2x plus y plus 3z, 2x plus y plus 3z minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Any problem is there ma? This is 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 1, it is minus 5 ma. Here anyhow 0. Any problem is there? Still you can simplify this ma. This you can write as what ma? X square, I am writing like this, x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x minus 2y minus 4x minus 2y, 4 plus 1 is what ma? 4 plus 1 is what ma? Plus 5 minus r square into this ma, 14 na, is equal to this result ma. What is this ma? This result you can keep, this result you can expand ma, right? ఆ result ని మనం expand చేసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. లేదు అంటే నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఎట్లా పాయింట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి కీప్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మా. 2x plus y plus 3z minus 5 whole square. Keep as it is. Let it be, this is number 1. Here r is unknown ma. To find r, what they given ma? This will passes through this point ma. ఈ వచ్చిన కోన్ ఈ సిలిండర్ ఈ పాయింట్ నుండి పాస్ అవుతుంది అన్నారు. I mean substitute here x is 0, y is 0, z is 3 ma. Given that above cylinder passes through the point, what is that point ma? 0, 0, 3. Yes, substitute x is 0, y is 0, z is 3. Directly this is 0, 0, this is 3 ma, 9. Directly I am writing 9. This is 0, this is 0, plus 5, right? 9 plus 5 minus r square into 14 is equal to, here this is 0, this is 0, 9 minus 5 whole square. Yes, just to simplify that portion ma. Then simplify cheyandi ma. 9 plus 5 is what ma? 14. Here it is what ma? 9 minus 5 is what ma? 4, right? 14, 4. Once look that simplification part ma. ఆ simplification part ni ఒక్కసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి చూడండి అమ్మా. You get the value of r square. r square ఎంత వస్తుందో చూద్దాం అమ్మా, right? Yes, 9 plus 5 is what ma? Here I am writing 9 plus 5, 14 into 14 minus 14 r square. I am taking this 14 inside ma, is equal to 9 minus 5 is what ma? 4. 4 square means what ma? Is it 16 or not ma? Right? This is your result ma. This implies minus 14 r square is equal to 16 minus 14 into 14. I think it is 256 na. 14 into 14 ma. 8, 9, sorry, 196 na. 16 square is 256. It is 196 ma, right? Right. Once look this ma, this implies minus 14 r square is equal to, yes, this is how much ma? 16 minus 196 is what ma? Is it minus 180 or not? Any problem is there ma? ఏమైనా ఇన్కన్వీనియన్స్ ఉందా ఒక్కసారి చూసుకోండి అక్కడ. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ యూ కెన్ డిఫైన్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ మా. ఎనీహో హియర్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ బికమ్స్ ప్లస్ మా, రైట్? మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ఏమైందమ్మా? ప్లస్ అయిందమ్మా. దెన్ వన్స్ గో టు ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ రిజల్ట్ మా. దిస్ ఇంప్లాయిస్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 by 14. Still you can write it as r square equal to 2 ma, 90 by 7. Any problem is there? You need r square only, don't find r ma, because directly substitute that r square here ma, it is better, right? We got r square is what ma, 90 by 7 ma. Substitute this in equation 1 ma. Substituting r square equal to 90 by 7 in equation number 1, we get, yes, substitute ma, what is that? X square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x minus 2y plus 5 minus r square is what ma, 90 by 7 into 14 is equal to 2x plus y plus 3z minus 5 whole square ma, right? This is your substitution result ma. If you want, you can simplify this portion ma. Inka dini manam simplification kuda cheyochu ma. I am writing like this. This 14 into up to here I am writing ma. I mean 14 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x minus 2y, right? Minus 2y plus 5, right? Plus 5 minus this one. 7 means 2. Is it 180 or not? 14 by 7. 2 into 90 is what? 180 is equal to 2x plus y plus 3z minus 5 whole square. If you want, you can proceed further simplification also. But మీరైతే ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ చేయండి. ఫర్దర్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ అంటే ఏం లేదు, a plus b plus c minus d అంటే దీది ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేసి చేయాలి, బట్ నో నీడ్ టు డూ మా. డైరెక్ట్లీ కెన్ స్టాప్ హియర్ మా. దిస్ బి రిక్వైర్డ్ రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ సిలిండర్. This completes your question ma, right? Very simple ma. Regular form తో కంపేర్ చేయండి, r వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేయండి, అగైన్ r స్క్వేర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ సిలిండర్ మా, యూ గెట్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ మా. దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ యువర్ న్యూ క్వశ్చన్ మా. కొంచెం లిటిల్ బిట్ వెరైటీగా ఉందమ్మా, రైట్? Yes, let us see one more question in this model ma. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder find the equation of the right circular cylinder whose axis is x minus 2 equal to z comma y equal to 0 and passes through the point three comma 0 comma 0. This is your new question ma. Same model question, but difference between previous problem and this problem is, in the previous problem axis equation directly they given in symmetric form. Here they are giving in unsymmetric form, combination of two plates. Combine these two things and write it in the symmetric form. After that, same like previous question, you can proceed. For that, first go for your given axis equation. Given axis of the cone is, axis of the right circular cylinder is, my big fault ma. What is that ma? X minus 2 equal to z comma y equal to 0. This I am going to write as like this one. This simplification is important here. X minus 2 by 1 is equal to z I am writing as z by 1. Any problem is there? This I am writing x minus 2 by 1. This is z by 1 ma. And y equal to 0 I am writing as y equal to 0 into z. Any problem is there? Y equal to 0 ni y equal to 0 into z ga rasaran, because z denominator is 1. That's why in terms of z I am writing y ma. Again, first equation keep as it is. X minus 2 by 1 equal to z by 1 ma, and this second one I am writing as y by 0 is equal to z, otherwise you can write it as z by 1. Y by 0 equal to z, but z you can write as what ma? Z by 1 ma. Now you can combine these two equations. X minus 2 by 1 equal to z by 1, which equal to y by 0, but if we can write it in the proper form, it should be what ma? X minus 2 by 1 equal to y by 0, which equal to z by 1. Any problem is there? Like this we written in symmetric form for this unsymmetrical line equation ma. But again I am writing this in the proper form like this ma. X minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 0 by 0 equal to z minus 0 by 1. Any problem? Y by 0 means y minus 0 by 0. Z by 1 means z minus 0 by 1 ma, right? This is your basic access form ma. Idenandi access basic form. You can compare this one with your regular form ma, which is in the form of, what is that form ma? X minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n, where alpha is equal to 2, beta is 0, gamma is 0, L is equal to 1, m equal to 0, n equal to 1 ma. Like this we define complete access basic form conditions ma. Access basic form conditions anni form chesinamandi. In the next step, let us take R is radius of your right circular cylinder ma. Let R is the radius of right circular cylinder. Right? You can now write down equation of right circular cylinder ma, according to theorem number 2 in cylinders ma. The equation of right circular cylinder is what is that ma? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square minus r square into L square plus m square plus n square is equal to L into x minus alpha plus m into y minus beta plus n into z minus gamma whole square. Substitute all LMN and LMN and alpha beta gamma results ma. This implies x minus 2 whole square plus directly I am writing y square plus z square, because y minus 0 z minus 0 ma, minus r square into, yeah, directly shall I write my L square is 1, m square is 0, n square is 1. Is it 2 or not? Is equal to 1 into x minus 2 plus 0 into y minus 0 or y plus 1 into z minus 0 or z simply you can write whole square, right? This is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus z square minus r square into whole into 2 is equal to x, 1 into x is x, this is 0, plus z minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square, right? Now let us simplify this ma, inka dini koncham simplify chezdamamma, right? Simplify cheyandi ledu ante directly you can substitute point also. Let it be number 1 better, substitute your given point ma. Given that above cylinder passes through the point what is that point ma? 3, 0, 0 ma. I mean substitute x is 3, y is 0, z is 0. X is 3, so that it is what ma? 9 minus 12, 4 into 3 plus 4, right? This is 0, this is 0, minus r square whole into 2, right? 3 square is 9 ma, 4 into 3 is what ma? 12. This 4 I written as it is, this is 0, this is 0, this I written as it is equal to x is what ma? 3, z is 0, minus 2 whole square. Any problem is there? Otherwise, what is this result ma? I mean 9 plus 4 is what ma? 13. 9 plus 4 is what ma? 13 minus 12 is what ma? 1. 1 minus r square into 2 is equal to what ma? 3 minus 2, 1 square is what ma? 1. This implies 1 minus r square, లేదంటే ఇలా చేయండి, 2 minus 2r square anyway is equal to 1. 2 minus 2r square equal to 1 ma. This implies 2 minus 1 is equal to 2r square. This minus 2r square we taken this side, this one we taken this side ma. This implies r square is equal to what ma? 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Any problem is there? We got here r square is what ma? 1 by 2. Substitute that r square equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1 ma. Substituting r square equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1, we get, yes, what is that? Once look ma, here I am writing that result. Here substitute ma, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square, directly I am writing ma, plus z square minus r square is what ma? 1 by 2 na? 1 by 2 whole into 2 is equal to x plus z minus 2 whole square. Any problem is there? Still you can simplify this ma. This is what ma? X square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square, I mean 2 into, you can proceed. Otherwise you can write like this ma, better. మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేయాలంటే ఇలా చేయండి. దిస్ ఇంప్లైస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 2y స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2z స్క్వేర్ minus 8x, right? Here this is actually 8 minus 1 na? 8 minus 1 plus 7 na? Because 2 into 4 is what? 8 minus 1, it is 7, is equal to this according to a plus b minus c whole square. Proceed ma. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4z minus 4x. Any problem is there? A square plus b square, one more term is also there ma. I am writing in the proper way, better. A square plus b square plus c square is 4 na, plus 2ab 2z minus 4z 2xz minus 4z minus 4z minus 4x. Any problem is there? All the terms we got now. Once look, yes, take all the terms to one side now. This implies 2x square minus x square, it is what? X square plus 2y square, 2z square minus z square plus z square minus 8x plus 4x minus 4x. Next what ma? Minus 2xz minus 4z minus into minus plus 4z. If you can take this one to this side, it becomes what ma? Plus 3 is equal to 0 ma. Once see that simplification ma, ఒక్కసారి simplification కావాలంటే మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి. 2x square minus x square, 2y square, 2z square plus minus z square, z square, 8x minus 4x plus 4x minus 4x. Next result what ma? If you can take this one to other side, this term ma, this is minus 4z ma, 7 minus 4 is what ma? 3. This be required right circular cylinder. Complete simplification I had done here ma. మీరు మిడిల్లో కూడా స్టాప్ చేయొచ్చు సింప్లిఫికేషన్లో, బట్ ఐ డిడ్ కంప్లీట్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ మా, రైట్? దీస్ ఆర్ few different types of questions in this cones and cylinders, right?